And those adorable cheeks, they're expandable storage units. These tiny creatures are actually part of the squirrel family. Did you know chipmunks can carry food in their cheeks up to 3 times the size of their head? Chipmunks use them to collect and transport food back to their burrows. Inside their underground homes, they build entire food storage systems. Some chipmunks can gather thousands of seeds in a single season, and they don't fully hibernate like other animals. Instead, they wake up during winter to snack on their hidden food. They're also incredibly fast, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour. And when threatened, they make high-pitched warning calls to alert others. Despite their cute appearance, they are highly territorial. So that tiny fluffy face belonged to a fast strategic survival expert?